I wanted to do last year, and we ran out of time, and it would have been so perfect last year, as the Prince of Darkness did pass away last spring. But that's okay. Good songs are can always wait a little bit. Our final selection for you this evening was written by Ozzy Osbourne, and it's called Crazy Train. I joke about this, but Tina actually has the most important part in this song. So she's got to come up front so that it can be seen by everybody. No pressure, Tina. No pressure.